Find the good lighting. What's up, you guys? Welcome to a brand new channel. I guess this is the first intro or whatever. I might get another intro, but this is the first intro. You guys can follow me on my regular personal page at Eat and Slay on YouTube or Instagram and find some food and fashion and event stuff there. A little bit of vlogging, but here we're starting a brand new family channel and we did something a little crazy. Sorry for the lighting, but this is literally day 2 in our new home and we did something a little crazy like I was saying, and we just uprooted from a huge city, Tampa, Florida, and regrounded or rerooted or however you would say it, but we decided to try and be first generation homesteaders out here in Oklahoma. So we are located near the city of Elk City in Oklahoma. It's a beautiful little city, but it's actually like building up, so we're super excited to be in this area. We were in a very similar area in Tampa, Florida that just boomed up, and we decided to make the change. We're so crowded out there. We had like a 20-minute traffic line to get out of our neighborhood because we were the closest neighborhood to a school, which we thought was good, but obviously was not in the end. It's just, we were really crowded. We were in a house where we could open our window and touch basically our neighbor's house. So we changed it up. We saw a great opportunity for selling our place for a great profit. We found a great opportunity for land up here in Oklahoma. We loved how the laws were and just how the people were. Heard great things about raising families out here and farming and stuff. So we thought we would give it a try. So when we saw that there was some good land out here for cheap, and Nick found this beautiful property and he was keeping his eyes on it, and I was like, what are you doing really? You know, and that's when, you know, he was ready, those things were turning in his head, he had questions and he wanted, I don't know, he was ready. So when he saw that property sold, he got really sad actually and bummed out, and that's when I thought about it, and I was like, you know what? We really don't have much for us here. We had a lot of family loss, and we just wanted to restart. The jobs were not good out there for us either, so we wanted a brand new start. We wanted something different. We've always wanted to be farmers as kids, so we're just gonna live our dream right now. We literally are living our dream. No, this is not my dream couch or dream color wall, but soon it will be. So I hope you guys enjoy the journey with us. I want to show you guys the property. We've been here for 2 days, so a lot of our stuff is really scattered around, so get ready for the mess. But the boys just did like one of their first fires outside, so I want to show you guys that really quickly before the sun goes down, and then I want to show you guys the sunsets out here because those are great. And then I'll probably show you guys a few bad things that we don't like already. But yeah, we're falling in love with the town. Everyone's super nice. We have great neighbors, so we're really hopeful. We hope you guys follow along our journey and see how we homestead as first generation family from Tampa, Florida. Rock on. Here she is. This is our cute little front of our house. Got over her dress right there, so I'm trying to block that. And you have our carports, garage, storm shelter, and another outdoor garage. So this is technically all of our driveway way back there coming up. And up, obviously, this is our front yard. That's our dumpster and our water well over there. But if you see that yellow sign right there in that fence, that's where our driveway starts. This is the rest of our front yard. We might have to get rid of that satellite because I don't know the use of that anymore. But yeah, oh my god, we found out that this is a gopher hole, man. There's a gopher out here ruining our dang yard already. So, not happy about that. But we'll deal with him. Your day's coming, boy. Your day's coming. And then the owner said that these are very beautiful, like Japanese flower plants. So in the spring, cannot wait for this. These are some of the other things we hate. So these crickets. Let's see if you guys can see them. Oh, there go my boys. crack. Too much booty crack, guys. Farmer crack. Oh, look how cute.
Mommy, the view.
Hold on, let me get a full view. Oh,
Think of this.
looks cute.
Put the wood in the hole I got on the other side of your tree.
Is it sturdy in the back?
Yeah, feels pretty sick.
It just doesn't look level. Oh. Say hi. Yeah? Show me your boots.
I do this. I do that. I do that. I do the eye.
Oh, yeah, you gotta be careful.
I do daddy the eye.
Yeah, you don't move the dirt around. It's too windy out here. Uh-huh.
Mommy, help.
Us farmers.
What's your favorite part? The weeds.
Hey. Yeah? You got it? Yeah, fill it up.
My crying.
This is an art machine. This is gonna be my coffee spot, I think.
Hey guys, jumping in here to continue the tour. Again, please excuse the mess. We're just been unpacking the last few days, even though it doesn't look like it. It's been quite an adventure. But we are loving it. This is the living room that is very open, even though it doesn't look like it right now. This fireplace is definitely one of the things that made me fall in love with the house. I mean, it is just gorgeous. And over here we have the guest bedroom, actually. Stay tuned for that transformation. Caden decided very quickly that he wanted to make a little man cave of his own downstairs, so we went all out and built him quite a little cool fort down there. Stay tuned for that video as well. That was quite a journey getting that all under control, but definitely worth it. We thought this would be a better guest bedroom anyways, being that this door here leads straight to the guest bathroom. And I mean, the view, that front window there looks out to this, and one of my favorite things. I mean, just absolutely wildlife. We catch a lot of deers. Oh, he gets me every time. Scary and cute at the same time. I don't know how he does. But continuing the tour, yeah, all this will be relocated, but that couch there is one of the most comfortable couches I've ever sat on. This room here we plan to transform into a office. I want to get a double desk going at the front window. I think it would just be cool to kind of work and outlook our property while we work and hopefully catch some wildlife. Again, the mess, I know, nothing's put away, but the vision is real. Here we have the master bedroom. It's a really good size. We definitely, I think, are going to upgrade to a king-size bed. That's one of the first things I kind of want to jump to. There's another safe that came with the house. We hopefully one day will fill it up. The view, guys. This is what we moved here for. The screen's kind of killing it a little bit, but right time of the day you can catch deer, blue jays, cardinals, all just kind of really playing all around the house. Coming over here we have a hallway that connects to the bathroom. Our house is one big circle, guys. You'll kind of get that. Both bathrooms there's a loop, but this hallway leads actually as well to walk-in closets. His right there and hers right there. If you guys guessed it, mine is definitely the one that's a fraction of the size, but still huge. And let's see if I can even fill this one. Again, don't excuse Don't mind the mess, please. It's a work in progress here, but this closet is just ginormous. I mean, we talked about turning this into a room itself. We are not used to having a closet this size, but it's definitely nice, and I'm sure we'll find a good use for it. The bathroom here, let me know if you guys are a fan of the checkered. I wasn't at first, but I really do like it. With the tub, the sinks, everything kind of ties in together well. This is one of the few rooms that we could do a little bit to, but I actually kind of like the vintage look. We have the closet. I mean, for a bathroom closet, it's definitely the biggest one we've had. We're gonna have to even try hard to fill it. The shower, not my favorite, but eventually it will turn into a nice project to maybe at least get rid of that bench, even possibly try to make it bigger somehow. Last but not least, we have the basement. That's gonna be a little bit of an entertainment area, and then to the right there will be Caden's bedroom.
Well, I told them they're gonna see the sunset in the next clip, so tell them what they're gonna see now.
A puppy?
A what?
Playing.
Okay, but what are they? What's sitting next to you?
Playing.
No, what's sitting next?
Daddy.
Doggy.
Ronnie.
Hi.
That's Ronnie. Hi, Ronnie.
Ronnie?
Uh-huh.
You like Ronnie?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
I like
we'll see.
Navi. That sounded
I
better.
do like Navi.
Ronnie.
Hi, Bubbles. Oh, there goes the tail.
The personality. Oh.
Oh. Is this gonna be your best friend?
Mm-hmm. What are you playing?
Oh, party.
I want to do it, dear.
Hi, cutie.
Hi, Dewey.
She didn't even take the money.
I know, I saw it. So cute.
It's like you guys drove so far for it.
Mama.
Mhm.
I got my TV.
Nice. You found your TV? It was right next to you the whole time?
No.
No.
About to
What's
open
up, Bubbles?
Hey, Papa.